Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I gonna use other YouTube videos and I'll check whether it's working or not. Here I have so many videos on how to clean phone case. Here around 3.9 millions. What? 3.9 millions? Here down 8.3 million views. What happening, guys? What is this? Here down 16. What? 16 million views? Guys, 16 million views on how to clean a phone case. Really? I think I got my video to choose. And you watching Tech Stripper YouTube channel? Let's explore. You guys came to know what this video is. So without lagging, let's know why our phone cases turn yellow after some time. This is because of heat produced by our phone while we are using it. It gradually turns yellow, changes its color. You can see. And also because of using a phone while using stuff like eating, drinking, exercising, etc. These all actions turn this yellowish or sometimes light brown. Guys, in that video I watched, they used tissue. I don't have, so I'm using cotton. There is no difference in that. Two are same. Add some surf. After that, pour some water to it. Mix it well. Okay. Next, add some vinegar. After that, add thinner to it. I'm not showing it here. Okay, now place the case well. Now cover all the upper layer with tissue. I don't have, so I'm using cotton. Place it well. Cover it well. And after that, pour some thinner. Here some bubbles are visible. You can see here. Now you can see. Guys, I have done all the things that shown in that video. Here I'm opening it. Transparent. Oh, it finally turns yellow. It's still yellow. You can see. Means guys, in this we have pour solutions like vinegar and thinner. Actually thinner is very harmful to children and it's very hard to breathe. Don't try this at home. It's all rubbish. All are fake videos. And I will be back in my next interesting video. Until then, take care. This is Jaran signing off. Jai Hind.